I would like to take this opportunity to pay my heartfelt tribute to our founder chairman, late Dr. S.D. Jainji, who left for his heavenly abode on 3rd November 2018, nearly a year back. And we have felt his absence at every step. Today, this is the first annual function that we are organizing without him, and we really missed his valuable guidance and his suggestions at every step. His inspiration, motivation, and directions are missed by the staff and students alike. For me, it is a personal loss, as he was like a father figure to me, a picture of kindness, humility, and sincerity. I hope that wherever he is, his blessings and grace remain with us. We miss you, sir. May we always have the strength to walk on the path shown by you, sir. And on behalf of entire team of Modern School, I take the privilege to dedicate this 32nd annual function in his memory. Once again, a very good evening to all of you. Today, I am delighted to have the presence of our chief guest, Mr. Binod Singh Rawat, Additional District and Session Judge, Gautam Budh Nagar, presiding guest, Mr. Shailendra Mishra, City Magistrate, Gautam Budh Nagar, although he could not join us today due to ill health. Today's guest of honor, Mr. Prashant Tiwari, ARTO, Mr. Yogendra Sharma, President FUNARVA, our special guest, Yogendra Awana, MLA Rajasthan Vidhan Sabha, Mr. GP Gupta, National President, Independent School of Federation, our Managing Director and President of the Society, Shri S.K. Jain ji, Director, Shri Saurabh Jain ji, Manager, Tarun Jain ji, Varun Jain ji, and Tushar Jain ji, principals of sister branches and various other schools of NCR, dignitaries, friends from electronic, media, press, respected parents, staff member, and dear children. First of all, I, on behalf of the management, staff, and student, extend my heartiest welcome to all of you on our 32nd annual function. Let me take an honor to introduce the dignitaries of today's function. Mr. Binod Singh Rawat, Additional District and Session Judge, Gautam Budh Nagar. Sir is a very dynamic, dedicated, and honest officer. I am grateful to you, sir, that you have spared your valuable time from your busy schedule. I welcome you, sir. I extend my welcome to Mr. Prashant Tiwari, ARTO, and Mr. Yogendra Sharma, President FUNARVA, Mr. Yogendra Sharma, MLA Rajasthan Vidhan Sabha, Mr. GP Gupta, National President, Independent School Federation. I am thankful that you have accepted our invitation to be with us to make this evening a great one. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome our Managing Director and President of Digambar Jain Society, Shri S.K. Jain ji, and Director Shri Saurabh Jain ji, who are relentlessly putting their best efforts to fulfill the dreams and the aims of our worthy founder chairman, late Dr. S.D. Jain ji. On this evening, I also welcome the other members of the managing committee who are present with us. Here, I would like to take the privilege to share the story of the growth of a plant whose seeds have been sown in the year 1969, when some philanthropists of Jain community established this minority institution in the name of Digambar Jain Society for Child Welfare at Delhi. And you will be glad to know that today the society is running several branches in Delhi and NCR. Modern School Noida, a minority institution, was established in the year 1987 at Sector 12. Soon the school grew in leaps and bounds, and the senior branch shifted to its parent campus at Sector 11 Noida. School is imparting education to more than 3,000 students on roll, right from class nursery to class 12th, in all the streams of education, that is science, commerce, humanities, affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. The school has high-class infrastructure on government-allotted land with all facilities for holistic development of the students. School is equipped with all modern amenities. Centrally air-conditioned auditorium, large-size swimming pool, and digital classroom are some of the star attractions of our school. School is an ISO certified which shows that we fulfill the international educational standards. At this point of time, it is worth mentioning that this year the school has bagged International School Award hosted by British Council. The school took up the International School Award as a challenge and a new venture in 2019. We were excited and determined to make this dream possible. We started working at different levels with the students and colleagues. Since all the projects were global based, it was a great challenge for us to get collaboration with the schools abroad, but we could do it with the hard work and dedication of all. I would like to pay my sincere thanks to students, parents, staff and the fraternity of Modern Group in helping us to achieve this acclaim and honor. We are honored to provide students with a superior academic curriculum, and it is worth sharing that every year several students are being selected for several courses in the different prestigious technical, medical and other institutes of the country. Students who have qualified JEE Mains are Gaurav Arya, Kajal Gupta, Tushar Singh, Omkar Singh, Ashish Mishra, Sumarth Shukla, Piyush Jadhav, Harsh Gupta, Anirudh Balia, Monica Kumari. Our students achieved a thumping success in NEET as well. Some of our achievers are Varsha Yadav, Vaibhav Gaur, Anuj Yadav, Manju, PM Reshma, Prerna Agarwal, Amit Bhati, Manya Jain, Bhumika, Anchal Sharma, Priya Avana, Sonal Chauhan, Satyam Singh, Vivek Singh. The school is showing excellence in results in academic since its inception. During the session 18-19, class 12 result was 100%. Total number of students appeared 237, out of which 44 students scored distinction in all subjects and 192 students passed with first division. Stream toppers for class 11, Minamansa Jada in non-medical, Anuj Jadhav medical, Shruti Chuk commerce stream and Tanya Jaiswal humanities. The result of school for class 10th were also 100%. Total number of students appeared 222, out of which distinction in all subjects were 132 and all the students passed with first division. Many students scored 100 out of 100 in different subjects. Apart from achievements in academics, school students are also showing their talent in co-curricular activities, that is in the field of art, music, theatre, drama and many more. Let me speak about few of them. 11 students of Scouts and Guides were honored with the prestigious Governor Award this year. The name Bharat, Aman, Lakshmi, S. Judata, Drishti, Nitan, Sudarshan, Deepak Aditya, Mohit, Vishal, Ranjan. Ansh of class 6th bagged a gold medal at state level in an event organized by Delhi School. It is a matter of pride that Himanshu Jadhav of 10th participated and won silver medal in CBSE North Zone 1 Judo Championship. He would be participating in National Judo Championship also. The society under the leadership of founder chairman late Dr. S.D. Jain ji had initiated various projects and schemes which benefits not only the students of modern school but are also open to the students of other schools. He felt that the future and hope of the country depends on the students. Therefore, the necessary enthusiasm and encouragement must be generated among them. Our Managing Director, Shri S.K. Jain ji and Director Shri Saurabh Jain ji are of the view that the school not only prepares the students for prosperous livelihood, but also makes efforts to mold their characters for integrated, novel, peaceful and disciplined living. I once again welcome you all on this wonderful evening. Thank you very much for your valuable time and support. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.